Hi,
Hello.
welcome to your home. Please come
Thank you
in.
so much.
Take a seat.
I will sit up.
Make yourself comfortable.
I feel quite comfortable.
Yeah, okay. What would you like to
I
have?
would like to have cold drink.
Cold drink. Okay. Hmm. I called my mom to come and meet you.
No, don't disturb your mom. I am happy to meet you.
How was your journey here?
I had good journey. I had good tips so far.
Tips so far. Okay. Would you like some snacks, something to eat?
No, I have eaten at home.
Make
So,
yourself at home. I'll bring you something.
okay.
Okay. What are you planning to stay with us?
I am planning to stay at for 1 week.
Okay. You must be tired from the journey.
Yes, I am tired. I will go and rest now.
Why don't you take some rest
I
and
will
fresh
rest.
up?
I will rest and go now.
Your room is ready. It was great having you here.
Thank you so much. I
Do
really
come,
enjoy my visit here, and thank you
do
for
come
asking
again
me.
soon. Do come again soon.
I would love to come back again.
Safe travel back home. Goodbye.
Thank
Nice to
you.
meet you.
I